Over the last few months, we have battled a dangerous virus that has impacted every aspect of our lives. We banded together in so many ways to understand, support each other, and work to be part of the solution in not only living through the COVID-19 pandemic, but also working our way into our new normal. While COVID-19 has been the focus of our energy and effort these last few months, a more familiar virus has once again suddenly taken center stage, the virus of racism. While ever present and constantly infecting every fabric of who we are as a nation, as a world, the task of addressing racism is often met with silence. Silence from individuals, silence from families, silence from education institutions, governments, and corporations. Racism has been the virus that we have met with silence for so long, hoping it would just go away, but not anymore. Our current challenge is to meet this virus with the same energy and intention as we have with other viruses affecting our safety and well-being. We must drive exposure, awareness, understanding, and support. We must be part of the solution. We must be participants of change, not silent observers. But that task can feel overwhelming. So here's something you and I can do to make it easier. Refuse the silence option. When asked about topics on race, when invited to the table of dialogue, simply be willing to engage in the conversations. Know that it will not be an easy conversation and we won't solve all the problems we need to address in one interaction, and yet recognize that we can walk away different. Each interaction is an invitation to better understand others. An important step in making a safer and more equitable world for everyone is just being willing to have the conversation. Thanks for watching. Visit vitalsmarts.com/saythat to access more tips and training on how to speak up when it matters most.